The angle of elevation of an airborne helicopter at point A. This is point A I have shown here. This is point A. This is point B. And when the helicopter is at point A, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Then it is traveling towards right. Suppose from this point to this point. After traveling this distance, it reached at B, where the angle of elevation became 30 degree. So it took 15 seconds to travel from A to B. And if you get the distance of AB, then we can calculate the speed, because distance by time taken is equal to speed of the helicopter. Now we have to find out AB or we have to find out CD, because time taken is given as 15 seconds. If you divide AB by T, we will find the speed. Now in triangle, if you will see, actually there are two right angle triangles. One is here, if you will see, this is the right angle triangle, this is another right angle triangle. One right angle triangle is actually, for this it is OAC, and for this is OBD. Now in triangle OAC, if you will see, that is SC by OC. SC by OC is equal to tan 45 degree. This implies that SC is equal to OC, and we know that it is given that SC is equal to BD, that is the height of the helicopter, which is always at 200 meters, 2000 meter from the ground. That means that is equal to 2000 meter. Next is in triangle OBD, we can write this as BD by OD. BD by OD will be equal to tan 30 degree. This implies that OD is equal to BD by tan 30 degree. So OD becomes BD into root 3, that is tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, and BD is equal to 2000 into root 3. Actually this is 2000 BD, because it is at a constant height of 2000 meter traveling the helicopter. Then BCD, we can find that CD is equal to OD minus OC, or that is equal to 2000 into root 3 minus 2000, which is equal to 2000 into root 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2000 into 1.732 minus, that is, it is given that you have to take root 3 is equal to 1.732, that is equal to only 0.732, or we can write this as, that is equal to 732 into multiplied by 2 only, 732 into 2, that is 1464 meter. We got this one. Now we have to calculate the speed. Now speed is equal to distance by time, that is AB by the time taken. Time taken is 15 seconds. AB by time. AB is equal to 1464 divided by time taken is your 15 seconds. There are 15 8 ja, 15 9 ja, that is 15 9 135, 11 114, 7 105, 90 90, that is 15 6 ja 90. This much a meter per second, this will be the answer. With this speed the helicopter is traveling.